हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम खेलने वाले हैं इंग्लिश का गेम जिसमें आपको मिलेंगे 3 ऑप्शंस फॉर एवरी सिंगल क्वेश्चन। आपको उसमें से सही आंसर चुनकर वीडियो के एंड में कमेंट में अपना स्कोर लिखना है। आर यू रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्विज। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, कल मैंने उसे देखा। आपको इसका करेक्ट इंग्लिश बताना है। ऑप्शन ए, I see him yesterday. Option B, I saw him yesterday. Option C, I seen him yesterday. इसका करेक्ट इंग्लिश है I saw him yesterday. नेक्स्ट, वो अभी खा रहा है। A, he is eating now. B, he eats now. C, he eat now. Correct English, he is eating now. नेक्स्ट, क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? ऑप्शन ए, कैन यू हेल्प मी? बी, यू कैन हेल्प मी? सी, हेल्प मी यू कैन? And the answer is, can you help me? Next one is, मुझे पानी चाहिए। A, I want water. B, I needs water. C, I wanting water. Correct English, I want water. Option A. Next one is, वो स्कूल जा रही थी। Option A, she going to school. B, she was going to school. C, she go to school. The correct English is option B. She was going to school. Next one is, हम दिल्ली में रहते हैं। Option A, we lives in Delhi. Option B, we are live in Delhi. Option C, we live in Delhi. Option C, we live in Delhi. Next one is, क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया? Option A, did you eat food? Option B, did you eat food? Option C, have you eat food? Option B, did you eat food? Next one is, मैं तुम्हें कल मिलूंगा। Option A, I will meet you tomorrow. Option B, I meet you tomorrow. Option C, I meet you tomorrow. The correct English is option A, I will meet you tomorrow. Next one is, वो बहुत खुश है। Option A, he is very happy. Option B, he very happy. Option C, he are very happy. The correct English is option A. He is very happy. Next one is मुझे यह किताब पसंद है. Option A. I like this book. Option B. I likes this book. Option C. I am like this book. The correct English is option A. I like this book. Next one is तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Option A. What's your name? Option B. What is your name? Option C. What are your name? The correct English is option B. What is your name? Next one is मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ. Option A. I am busy now. B. I busy now. C. I am busy now. The correct English is option A. I am busy now. वो अच्छा गाता है. Option A. He sing good. Option B. He sings well. Option C. He singing good. The correct English is option B. He sings well. Next one is वे फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. Option A. They playing football. Option B. They are playing football. Option C. They plays football. And the correct English is option B. They are playing football. Next one is मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ. Option A. I going to market. Option B. I am going to market. Option C. I goes to market. And the correct English is option B. I am going to market. अब बताओ आपके कितने सही हुए. कमेंट में अपना स्कोर लिखो 15 में से कितने, और अपने दोस्तों के साथ इस चैलेंज को जरूर शेयर करो.